know, man, we got a job for you. All you gotta do is sign with Ball Records, get down with us. If not, you'll have to lay down.
I just can't help it. After something, like real shit, like just for me, like having a phone and just about to sit up there.
Good. He gonna sound the game with Ball Records, man.
Yeah.
We got Trap, you feel me? Trap ready. He already doing his thing, you feel me? Just came home. Yo.
Trap, hit that dance.
Yo, Trap, one more time. Hit that dance on me, baby.
Oh,
yo,
shit.
He crazy.
It was a trap dance. He still got it.
GSM. 3 times. Pussy nigga put a hit out. What? Yo, little nigga, he ain't get the message. So now I know that you a fucking bitch. What? I'ma lay you flat like a fucking stretcher. We don't play games, this is Skittles world. Get you stabbed for a couple soups. If your man's wanting, he can get it too. I'm at your fucking top like a fucking roof. Paramount like 100 proof. Got head spinning like jungle juice. Niggas all in this fucking gang, so my niggas gather like the huddle do. We don't play round this uptown. Zone 6 with them bundles move. See, I'm a lion with this fucking 40. I pop a nigga right up out of shoes. Chopper make a nigga backflip. Scar your skin like I'm tatting. Spreading grams on the ad list. Say getting money, but he acting. I don't know you, then I'm taxing. If her hair fire, then I'm waxing. She got good jeans, Sonny Braxton. Break her body down like a fraction. Coming to recognize I'm the captain. Catch me running plays like it's Madden. Drive my baby crazy with a passion. Had a Nora roll like an actress. Niggas faking dinner, sheet of plastic. It was 2 to 5 when we crashed. So the poppin' shit, I'm not your ravish. Mama raised a king to be a savage. Bitch, how you living? Got racks to them ceilings. Then ran the shit up since I've been out of prison. Cooking that dope as I serve all the killers. Money plus power, you notice the mission. Was raised in the jungle, you notice the trenches. Raps too easy, I swear that I'm gifted. Bitches, they love it and swear that they dig it. They only want money, I know that they fishing. Who told me get 'em, bro? You know I got 'em. Say with the flexing, I'm hungry and cocky. They fuck with that schoon, then I 30 or drop 'em. Bullets start flying, no way they can stop 'em. Oh, really? If I'm on it, then I know he gon' pop. Y'all call up Lil Dre or that AKL Faucet. MSK, you'll be solid and toxic. My head of the gang, come and lunch with a monster. I talk about business while ordering pasta. Flip us a brick, now we talking that profit. Sky's the limit, so mountains are cocking. And all of my dope, man, I swear that it's buck 100 on sissy, it's still like a talking. I'm in the kitchen, her name is Bianca. Let's get that our business in LA, we proper finessing our practices like I'm a doctor.